I'm going to share with you on how you can convert your Facebook account to Facebook page with those your friends that are on your list, and any number of friends that you have on your list. Automatically, when you convert that your Facebook account into Facebook page, they will become your followers on your Facebook page. And you don't need to have two Facebook accounts. With that your one account, you can convert it to Facebook page. And when you have 5,000 followers, at least you can start from there to use it to do your online influencer or to do any business at all that you want to use it to do. As far you are having 5,000 followers on your Facebook account, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So let's go to the video.
After you have logged into your Facebook account, the next thing you are going to do from here is that you will touch your profile. You will go to your Facebook profile, and this is my profile here. You can see my profile at the corner here. So I will touch it. I will touch which is my Facebook profile. I have touched it now. You can see from I've touched it here. Because I'm using PC version, that is why you are seeing it here like this. That is why it's displaying something like this here. So if you touch your profile on your mobile phone, from there something like this will open to you. Wait a minute. When you touch your Facebook profile, so something like this will open up to you after you have touched the Facebook profile. Then from here, what you are going to do next is that you will locate the three dots at your right hand side. You will locate the three dots, and this is the three dots here. For you to locate it, you see it here. This is the three dot inside your profile. You locate this three dot. You make sure you look for this three dot here. When you have seen it, from here, touch the three dot. You can see from here the first one showing add to story, while the second one view acts, while the third one here search, account status, achieve, story achieve, then activities log, then profile and tagging setting, then turn off professional mode. Then you see the meta verified. So from here now you will go to turn, because if you have not turned it before, it will show turn on professional mode. But here now, I've already activated it on this my profile. That is why it's showing here turn off professional mode. So if I should touch it now, it will off from this professional mode. And when I off it, it will now change, automatically change to Facebook, to normal Facebook profile. But this particular profile here now, this account here now, I've already changed it, converted it to Facebook page, and I have almost 2,000 followers that are following me there. Those 2,000 followers are my friends in this my account. But after converting into page, automatically all of the 2,000 friends, they are now my followers. And if any other person want to add me, the person is not going to see add there. It's going to show follow, which means as the person touch the profile, it will automatically converted to my follower. So from here, after you have gained the 5,000 followers, before you convert it, you can add up to 5,000 friends on your profile. And when you convert it to a Facebook page, which means you are having 5,000 followers. So this is how you do it. But from here now, I will touch this turn off professional mode for you to see how it looks like here in my vacuum. So you can see here that it's showing review important change before you turn off professional mode. If you change your mind, you can turn on professional mode anytime. So if I should touch it now, it will change to normal Facebook account, but if I should leave it, it will remain on that Facebook page. So let me go and show you the total number of followers that I have. You can see it here, 2.7k, which is 2,700 people. 2,700 people that are following me on this particular page. So this is how you convert it. But make sure that you you go and turn on your professional mode. You must turn on your professional mode for you to convert it. So that is how you do it.
Now you have watched it. Please don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends, and also click the like button so that as you like it, we recommend the video to many followers. Thank you for watching. Bye.